Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and let's get started crocheting. I will begin from the foundation chain. Make a chain of 21. 1. Pattern consists of 4 stitches and plus 1 stitch for a more beautiful look. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on till you will get 21 chains in the foundation chain. My foundation chain is ready and let's crochet row 1. Make a chain of 2. This is chains for transition. Then yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the third chain stitch away from the hook. Make half double crochet. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the next chain stitch. Make half double crochet. So keep working in this way till the end of this row. Like this. Here what I have. I have done a row of half double crochet. Let's crochet the next row. For this chain of 3, I will not include into the pattern. They are for transition. Turn the work. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the first stitch. Make double crochet. Make chain of 2. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook around the stitch. Pull up a loop and pull through first loop to the level of the stitch. So I'm making single crochet on the chain. I do not finish this stitch. Then you should make 4 more. 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in total it should be 5 of them. Pull through all loops on the hook. Make a chain. Yarn over the hook. I skip 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the fourth stitch. Make double crochet. I stop at this point and let's look at my stitch. So my huge stitch consists of 5 smalls. Let's repeat one more time. Chain of 2, yarn over, insert the hook around the stitch, grab the yarn, pull up a loop, pull through first loop to the level of the chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't hurry up. 5. Then pull through all loops on the hook. Make a chain. Yarn over the hook. I skip 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the fourth chain stitch. Make double crochet. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. Continue working with your own. My row is ready. Let's look at the last stitch. I did the last stitch into the stitch of the previous row and I left chains for transition. Chain of 2 for transition and turn the work. It is going to be a row of half double crochet. I'm working into the back loops only. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the I skip chains. Insert the hook into the first stitch, make half double crochet. I insert the hook into the back loop of the first stitch. Continue. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is the loop. I skip this loop. Let's count from the next one. Work with back loops only. 1, 2. I work with back loops. Only. Let's look at the huge stitch and work with back loop. 3, and 4. Let's look at double crochet. I leave this stitch. Let's count from the next one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I leave the double crochet. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. So you should work with 8 half double crochet in a row. I'm done row made of half double crochet. Let's look at this point. So I leave each double crochet that I worked around. So I leave each double crochet. And I remind you, all additional information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, then skip my double crochet and count from the beginning. The next row will be a row of huge stitches. Let's crochet the next one. For this, make a chain of 3, 1, 2, 3. Turn the work like this. Make double crochet through the next stitch. Let's repeat. Chain of 2. Then yarn over the hook. Insert the hook around the stitch, pull up a loop, pull through first loop to the level of the chain. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Well done. Pull through all loops on the hook and make a chain to complete the stitch. Here what I have: yarn over the hook, I skip 1, 2, 3, insert the hook into the 4th stitch, make double crochet. So in the next row I will leave this double crochet. I will not work with it. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. You should repeat as many times as you need for your pattern. Pattern consists of 4 stitches and has 2 rows. That's it. My swatch is ready. Here how it looks. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me in social media and of course crochet with me and learn more. For this project I used a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn and a crochet hook. It could be perfect to create blanket, coaster or tablecloths or another accessories. Good luck in crocheting. See you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!